Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Rancilio S24 espresso machine, and let's begin by purging the heat exchanger. You can see we get some super hot water that comes out at first, and that's because the water in the heat exchanger is the same similar temperature to the steam boiler, and because the heat exchanger sits inside the steam boiler to get hot. And that's why we always want to purge heat exchanger machines. We'll go ahead and pull a shot. I think I got the grind a little bit too fine for this machine. But you can see we are getting nice crema. And let's go ahead and test the steam. Nice strong steam. And test the hot water here. Hot water works great. So, thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.